Did you know that the average person spends 60% of their conversations waiting for their turn to speak? What if I told you that by using a few simple psychological techniques, you could not only control conversations but also leave a lasting impression every single time? Stick around, because today, I'm revealing the secrets to mastering any conversation, whether it's at work, on a date, or even with your in-laws. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ollie, and I love breaking down psychology-based strategies to help you level up your communication skills. Today, we're diving into how to control conversations using psychology. Now, I'm not talking about manipulating people. This is about understanding human behavior so you can steer conversations in a way that's authentic, engaging, and effective. Whether you're trying to win an argument, close a deal, or just make a great first impression, these tips will work every time. Let's get into it. Tip 1. The power of mirroring. The first technique is called mirroring. This is where you subtly mimic the other person's body language, tone, or even their words. For example, if they're speaking slowly and calmly, match their pace. If they lean forward, you lean forward too. Why does this work? Because humans are wired to like people who are similar to them. Mirroring creates a subconscious connection, making the other person feel understood and comfortable. It's like a psychological handshake. It builds trust and rapport instantly. Tip 2. Ask open-ended questions. Next up, ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions like, "Did you have a good weekend?" Try something like, "What was the highlight of your weekend?" Open-ended questions keep the conversation flowing and give the other person a chance to share more about themselves. People love talking about their own experiences, and when you let them do that, they'll walk away thinking, "Wow, that was a great conversation," even if you barely said a word. Tip 3. Use strategic silence. Here's a pro move: strategic silence. When someone finishes speaking, don't jump in right away. Pause for a couple of seconds. This does two things. It shows you're actually listening and not just waiting for your turn to speak. It often makes the other person feel compelled to fill the silence, which means they'll share more than they originally intended. Silence is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. So there you have it. 3 psychology-backed techniques to control any conversation like a pro. Start using these strategies today and watch how people respond to you differently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on tips like these. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know which technique you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching. And remember, the best conversations aren't about control, they're about connection. See you in the next one.